Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. We're out here in the gym. I'm gonna do a stretch routine this morning. It takes, I wanna say around 10 minutes, maybe a little less than 10 minutes. This is a yoga routine and it's meant to open up the lower back and do a general body alignment. So I don't know about the whole alignment thing, but it's supposed to focus on the transition between moves, and there's 9 moves. And like I say, you're supposed to focus on the transition between moves and just taking it slow and easy. So I've done this a few times before. I've never really read what the thing says to do while you're doing these. I always just took it as a stretch. So we'll work on the open up the lower back and body alignment and all that good stuff. And the transition between moves, taking it a little slow and trying to engage all of the alignment that they're talking about. So here we go. Got this yoga routine today, and then we've got a walk, and then we'll come back and chat. So let's get this done. It's longevity training in the works, and we're doing this so we can meet age with grace. It's not always the fun stuff, but this is the in-between weights, an active rest day, so we can keep the body all lubed up and ready to go for the next weight workout. So here we go. Let's hit it and let's do this. All right, so we've got our active rest day done for the week, or Wednesday. Well, not for the week, we got Saturday still, but that's the ab burner. I don't know if I'd call that active rest. But today we had the yoga routine, the Slow Salutation, I think is what it's called. Anyway, it went well. Probably the best stretches are the downward pose, where you're basically stretching your hamstrings and I worked on, curling my back instead of just bending at the hips. So as I got down, I worked on pulling my hands to the ground by bending at the vertebrae instead of at the hip. So that's kind of the way I approached it. I did get a little bit of stretch in the lower back like it said it was supposed to, and lots of stretch in my hamstrings and down through my calves even. So that felt pretty good. That was probably the best feeling stretch of all of them, meaning I felt the best after that one. was done. I think I did that one in there 4 times. So basically 2 rounds of 9 different, well, they're not 9 different poses, of 9 poses. So anyway, got that done. Went on a jog today. Did more jogging today than I've done in quite some time. That always feels good. I'm still a little bit out of breath, but went well. I wouldn't say I jogged half. Probably 2.4, 2.5 miles or so. But I wouldn't say I jogged half of that, but I probably jogged 3/4 of it at least. So that's not bad. Maybe a mile, full mile of jogging at maybe 1/4 mile stretches or a little less than 1/4 mile stretches. So that went well. My workout, so tomorrow I got to drive into work, and I may work out this evening. So I may do my back workout this evening, depending on, we'll see how long I have to work this evening. Sometimes work takes me well into the later hours, and I go to bed early. So that's why I work out in the morning, folks. I want to do what I want to do, and I do it in the morning before I get worn out by everything else during the day. Because once work is done, you know, if I waited till after work, I just wouldn't feel like it. I'm not an evening person. I mean, I'm ready. When evening comes, I'm ready for bed. So morning comes, I'm ready to hit it. So that's why I do this at this time. Nothing to bother me, nothing to distract me. I get it all done. So anyway, that's a good deal. But anyway, what I was getting to is tomorrow I'll still walk in the morning, but so I can get on the road before the crazies and not get crazy myself. I'll maybe do my weight workout this evening, so I don't have to scramble through it so fast and get it done. Feel like I have to get it done real quick. I can focus on the weights and get them done at the right pace. So we'll see. Anyway, either way, it'll still publish at the same time. So we'll let you go. You guys have a great Wednesday. Let's get over this hump and get on the downward side. You guys take care, be safe, get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Let's get it. You take care. See you.